How exciting! Yellow clover seasonal pet items will be pinning soon. Today is July 6th. It's being released to paid members only. Then I will release this to the public the day before Penny Day. We are looking for these types of tags with the paw prints, our yellow clover, our S23. You are probably seeing pet tier table on a number of videos. That just means these were set up on our 3 tier tables,
right,
our NCI tables.
clover.
You can see here, these are our tier tables.
We have pet leashes and harnesses. Sorry, Melinda, when I said I'm ready to go, I meant, oh wait, I'm ready to go up here and stop. Harnesses. I know, aren't those cute? You know why I want all this stuff. It's for my mom, you know, the pet sanctuary. What'd you find? I know, but that could be human or animal crown. These are adorable. I actually have a friend that I know I would totally give this to. There's also, I believe, a golden retriever one. We have different party cups and plates. Oh my goodness. And all of these you can scan and add to your list. So you can start searching your stores. I already showed you that one. Just walk it off. Ask me about my dogs. That doesn't have a tag. Oh, there it is. Also, those metal canisters. There's also glass bowls. I've wanted these, but I've refrained, which I'm super stoked because these are moving to clearance pretty quickly. They don't usually move that fast. Did I already show you that one? I don't know. Okay. And another pet mat. And they took the tag off. There are different like bandana type things too. Yay!
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames.
All right, let's get into searching your app for these pet items. First, I started with just typing in pet because not all visuals and UPCs may be available. Right, there's 2 that I'm going to add. But also, this is a good way to find out, are other things going to fall in? So, you may not find everything on one store. I would be checking multiple stores, but just searching pet obviously is going to bring up a variety of things, and you're going to look for any of those items that are the yellow clover or have all the paw print thing going. But you're going to see as I get further into this search, I am shocked at what I find, because I'm searching for the yellow clover pet items, and I end up realizing I found a remodel. So there's going to be a moment of pausing because you're going to realize I'm like, wait, what? So if you're searching, I mean, really searching everything, when it comes to a remodel especially, like I would go through the entire, everything that pops up for pet, I would go through because it could be all the way down at the bottom. But in this, in that I was checking, it said BOGO. So I was like, oh, what's that? Anyways, so I go on. Now I'm going to search, I don't know, because I had to cut that top off. I'm searching just dog. Keep it generic. So we're going to go through, see what pops up for just dog. Again, something may pop up under pet, but it doesn't pop up under dog. But it does pop up under cat, but it may be dog related. It's so willy-nilly. That's why I search a lot of generic things because of what comes up. So again, this is just searching dog. I'm not finding anything, it looks like, on this round. But we're going to keep scrolling because you never know what's going to show up. And I think I did end up finding something the further I got down. So we're just going to keep on scrolling. Nope, I decided I'm giving up on that one. So what are we doing? We're searching leash. And there's one of our retractable leashes right there. It's showing $1.50 right now. Not a lot came up under leash. So that one wasn't too hard to search. Let's see what else I move on to. And obviously, let's see, what are we looking? Bandana. Yep, so there's our pet bandana. But checking to see if any other ones are going to pop up. It's up to you whether or not you go through these videos all the way through. But the more you go through, the more you're going to learn, the more you're going to be able to search this stuff on your own. So now we're going to look up bowl. Oh, this is when I realize it's a remodel. So first thing you see, I'm like, wait, why are those plastic bowls half off? Okay, I'm just going to keep scrolling because I'm looking for the pet bowls. But as I get further down, I'm like, wait, those are half off. That's odd. You can tell I'm thinking, like, wait, what did I just come across? What did I just find? And I really did just click on a yellow dot in a major city. So I had no idea. So there we find the collapsible dog bowl lid. Or I'm sorry, it's an actual collapsible bowl. Sorry, it's not a lid. I thought it was a can lid at first. So again, just typing in bowl can bring up a wide variety. But just doing this, I came across what I am now going to call, I don't know, a party remodel. We'll talk about that later. And I'm adding a purple dot from last year because I hadn't seen him for a while. Now we're going to search mat. You can see pet mat shows up pretty early on. See if we got any other ones that are going to show. Oh yes, I know there is another one that comes up on this. And that's our rolled mat in the UPC visuals. Then I decided to search plush because there are actual toys that are falling in. And I had missed one earlier, I believe. So going through plush. And it's going to show us, there's our, right there, the $1.50 one. Going to get it added. Going to keep scrolling. These look different than our other dog toys. So they're going to stand out. Their prices are going to be different. I know there's more. Hang with me. But see what all plush brings up. I mean, mascara. Okay, we got our pizza slice. I believe all of them are $1.50 right now at that 70% off. There's another. There's the donut. Now there's the cat toys. They're sitting at $90. And there's our hot dog. And there's our sandwich. So I went ahead and got all those added to my list just from searching in the app, searching generic. And just go in, see what you can find. So then if you don't have every single visual UPC, you can make sure you do find them all.